I am sick and freaking tired of the boring Toyota Tacoma key fob. I guess I didn't really plan that out too well. Welcome back to the Tacomaholic channel, everybody. The weekend is right around the corner, and I hope you have some fun Tacoma projects planned. If this is your first time stopping by and you love everything related to Tacomas, go ahead and subscribe now. So a few videos ago, I did make a Tacoma quick tip video showing you guys how to change the battery and disassemble the factory key fob, in case you did not know how to do that. If you have not seen that video, link right above, go ahead and check it out. It's just a quickie, which we all love. And doing that video reminded me two things. First, I really need to jump on the injection key fob because I am really sick of the boring key fob. So it's a fun little cosmetic upgrade, add a little spice to your key fob. And secondly, when I did mention the injection key fob upgrade in that other video, a few of you commented that you'd never even heard of that and didn't know what it was. I was considering doing this like as part of a mini mods video, but decided to make it'll just be a quick install of the injection key fob so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. So let's get started. And since we are talking about key fobs and everything related to that, if you guys want to grab a Tacomaholic key tag or the lanyard, which I don't have with me, you can do so at the Tacomaholic shop, linked right below. Okay guys, here is the key fob in question. There are tons of different color styles you can choose from. I went with the red front and the black back. Zooming in, you can see it has the nice Toyota T-Truck logo. Nice finish. This is the injection fob. I guess because of the way it's made, injection molded. I would guess like 3D printer or whatever, I'm not really sure, but these are nice, high quality, not too crazy expensive, tons of colors to choose from. I will put a link in the description below in case you want to grab one. Now they do have these. This is the one for the 2nd gen Tacoma and the latest version of the Tundra. If you have a 3rd gen Tacoma, there are different versions available. I'll put a link down there as well. They are all from AJT Design, which makes great stuff. I've done a few videos for their products for interior mods before, and you guys all seem to like those. So today we will be swapping over all the guts of the boring factory key fob over to the AJT fob. And I went ahead and put 2 of the Allen screws in here just to hold this on so I could show you guys. I went with black. You can get blue, red, black, I think stainless steel, you name it, they've got it. And you can also buy those separately, so if you get one color to start with and you want to switch it up later on, you can grab those separately and swap them out. And you get the little bag of hardware with the screws and the Allen key you need to install them. And to start with, to get everything out of the factory fob, go ahead and flip it so it's upside down, so all the buttons are pointed upside down so they don't fall and go all over the place when you disassemble this thing. Turn it, the part that goes around your keyring right here, turn that up. You see the small notch right there. Take a skinny flathead screwdriver, get in there and just sort of twist it. That will pop relatively easily. Take the plastic piece off. You can see there are all the guts. We will literally just remove it and transfer it directly over to the AJT fob. This whole part with the rubber surround holding all the chips and everything pops right out. Got the battery in there too. That's just a plastic face you can see. Again, keep this pointed down so nothing falls loose, and with the AJT fob faceplate also pointed down, just pops right in there nice and easy. And then you just get the backing part, line that up, compress it down, and put in all 4 screws, and you are done. How easy is that? Even a caveman could do it. And here's the finished product compared with my spare key. Look at that, nice cosmetic upgrade. Spice up your key fob life like never before. And that will do it for this video, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. If you do decide to grab one of the AJT Design injection key fobs, comment below, let me know what color you go with. As always, thank you so much for supporting the channel by watching this video, and if you would like to support the channel even more and grab one of those key tags or Tacomaholic lanyards, that would be amazing. It really helps the channel out a lot, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.